Civil 3D provides tools to analyze and calculate the volumes for volume surfaces and bounded areas within a volume surface. To access the volume tool, select a surface and choose Volumes Dashboard. In the panorama window, you have the ability to create a volume surface by selecting the Create New Volume Surface. I'll give this surface a name, and we'll call it Volume 1. I'll set my style to No Display as I do not want to see the contours or triangles of this surface. It merely provides a way to calculate cut and fill volumes. First, I will select my base surface, which is typically the existing ground. I have a combined existing ground, which is a combination of detention pond and EG. And my proposed surface is this pad surface that's in the file. If you do have any cut and fill factors, and those are your expansion or contraction type materials, then you can add them here or change it afterwards. I'll select OK, and then in the panorama window, you will see the cut and fill volumes in here. Because this is a pad, the graph shows a lot of green because it is a lot of fill for this design. If I would like to print this out or create a report of it, I could simply click this button here to create an HTML report. Or if I want this in the actual file, I can select Insert the Cut Fill Summary in the file, and then simply place it in the file, and there's my cut and fill summary. The great thing, of course, about this functionality is that if I change anything about any of the surfaces involved, I can simply click refresh. It'll update the volumes for me. Note, it will not update the text, as this is now just simply standard mtext that's in my file. You can also create a bounded volume. So what I'm going to do now is just simply draw a rectangle of, let's say, an area that I want to grab a volume calculation from. I can then go back to my Volumes Dashboard and then select Add Bounded Volume. And then in the command line window, it states Select Bounded Object. I'll go ahead and select it. And just like that, you now have a bounded volume, which you can toggle on here. And notice how it only shows the cut and fill volumes within that bounded area. If you'd like to remove this bounded volume, you can simply right-click on it and say Remove Boundary, and now you're back to the original total net cut and fill for that surface. This concludes this video discussing surface volumes.